Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we'll be working on a recoil rope on this Poland 22-inch push mower with the Briggs & Stratton 158cc 550 series engine. They brought it in because the rope's about ready to break, so I'll show you an easy way how to put a new rope on. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we'll unhook it off the handlebars here. Okay, and on these Briggs engines, there's two 3/8 bolts on the back and one on the front. You can take this plastic cover off, or you don't have to. There's one right here, and there's one on the opposite side, and there's one in front. And this pops off like that. So the best tools to use on this would be a pair of needle nose, a pair of cutters, and you need a number 4 rope. And I like using like 6.5, 7 feet when the handles on the rope grips on the handlebars. You know, you can always cut it shorter if you need it, but you can't extend it. So we got our rope here. Okay, pull the rope all the way out and grab on to that plastic spool. Pull it out a little bit and don't let go of that plastic spool. Just cut the knot off, and pull your old rope out. Okay, then grab your new rope. It's a lot easier if you put a knot in it before we start this, but let's go ahead and put a nice knot in it. And grab your other end. And it's nice to like take a lighter or something and just burn that end so it don't fray out. And that hole where it came out of, and that spool, just push it through there and line it up with that little hole through your cover and push it through. And slowly let it go in. And it'll stop like that. You have about that much extra. This is going to go on your handle. So out of your rope grip, just reach in there and pull that knot out of there. Go ahead and chop it off. Then grab your new rope. Push it over so it goes on either side. Grab it, put another knot in there, and you're done. So let's go ahead and put it back on the engine. And all these recoils are all basically the same. It's the same principle. Don't matter what brand it is. Make sure everything lines up. Put it back on the handlebars. You gotta squeeze the flywheel brake cable so you can pull it out. Just like that. And there you go. That's how you put a new rope on a recoil. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out. I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. Anyway, guys, have a good afternoon.